Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, May 24. Jamaica has strengthened its cooperation with the Dominican Republic with the signing of several bilateral agreements. Among them is a visa waiver pact which will facilitate easier travel for diplomatic and official passport holders. The agreement was brokered by Prime Minister Andrew Holness during a recent official visit to the Dominican Republic. Mr. Holness also signed a communique with President Danilo Medina, which covers travel, tourism, commerce, education, and agriculture. The two also signed an agreement to finalize a multi-destination tourism framework in the coming months. Coming out of the May 15 to 16 official visit, plans are far advanced for the establishment of a joint business and investment council. That council will allow for greater private and public sector collaboration on business and trade relations between the two countries. During talks, the two leaders also expressed a willingness to pursue exchanges and training programs to promote language training in Spanish and English. And Prime Minister Holness expressed interest in replicating the Dominican Republic's public-private partnership model in developing social programs, particularly in the housing sector. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has given the United Kingdom Jamaica's pledge of support in the fight against terrorism. This after Monday's explosion at the Manchester Arena, which left 22 people dead and 59 others injured. In a letter to his British counterpart Tuesday, Mr. Holness extended condolences to the people of the United Kingdom, particularly the families of those killed. As he condemned the attack, the Prime Minister saluted the courage of the city officials and the people of Manchester, who he said displayed great selflessness and generosity of spirit in the face of danger. Operators of micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, will be able to further develop their businesses and push their products. The Scientific Research Council, SRC, and the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, have signed a Memorandum of Understanding to share their expertise with MSMEs. Entities referred to the JBDC by the SRC will get assistance to formally register their businesses, move them to the commercial stage, identify funding, and undertake marketing activities.
It's not just having an SRC product, but utilizing what resources exist locally to increase their possibility of being a success. And that is one of the things that this MOU will really cover, how we exchange the expertise, our share expertise from one institution to the other in the interest of our clients primarily, so they can be more successful.
The MOU will also allow startup MSMEs to execute their business ideas through research and development.
The concept of research is so critical in really establishing a strong foundation from which you can move into economic activity. We found that there was such a reservoir of rich information at the SRC. All the family that you have, that, as Dr. Riley says, on the shelf, we want to really work at moving it from the shelf to implementation with this sector.
Government is set to roll out a Scotch bonnet pepper program in northeast Manchester in the next few weeks. Minister without portfolio in the Agriculture Ministry, J.C. Hutchinson, made the announcement during a recent meeting with Irish potato farmers in Manchester. He says farmers will receive seedlings and other inputs up front, with payments being made when crops are reaped. To benefit from the initiative, farmers will have to be a member of an organization under the umbrella of the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA. The authority and other stakeholders will provide the farmers with technical and marketing support. And finally, the Ministry of Health will be launching an initiative to encourage more expectant mothers to seek out prenatal care to secure their health and that of their babies. Portfolio Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton laments that in 2015, only 41% of expectant mothers visited the public health facilities during the first trimester of pregnancy, only 50% during their second trimester, and just about 8.4% in the third trimester.
We will be launching another initiative where we essentially motivate expectant mothers to come to the health centers by giving them not just the information, but also something tangible so they can prepare themselves for when that child is born.
Dr. Tufton was speaking at the recent launch of the Best for Mommy and Baby initiative, which is being implemented by the Southern Regional Health Authority in collaboration with the Health Ministry and Fontana Pharmacy. It involves supplying each new mother with a gift basket that contains a user-friendly booklet with antenatal and postnatal care information.
It's easy to understand. The instructions are very clear, And this now is the Bible for pre- and postnatal care. And you know, I believe that every mother wants the best for their child. Not every mother or expectant mother follows through, but the desire is there. And so from a policy perspective, it is our responsibility to make it as easy and as simple as possible. And this is the vision that is being manifested here today in this publication.
The initiative is being piloted at the Mandeville Regional Hospital and will eventually move to other parts of the island. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.